Hello friends, welcome to this new video. Today we are going to discuss business risk, its characteristics and its causes. Let's see first business risk. Business risk means possibility of less profit or loss due to unexpected events like fall in demand due to change in taste and preference of consumers, increase in competition, increase in price of raw materials which increase the cost and reduce the profit. Let's see now types of business risk. There are two types of business risk. One is a speculative risk, second is pure risk. Let's see first speculative risk. Speculative risk is arise due to change in market conditions like fluctuation in demand and supply, change in price, change in taste of consumers. Favorable conditions result in more profit and unfavorable conditions result in losses. Second is pure risk. Pure risk involve only possibility of loss or no loss, like chance of fire, flood, theft, strike, lockdown are examples of pure risk. If they happen, there will be loss, and non-occurrence of these events result in no loss. Now let's see nature or characteristics of business risk. First is business risk arise due to uncertainties. Second, business is an essential part of every business. Third, degree of risk depends mainly upon the nature and size of business. And last is profit is the reward for risk. Now let's see first one, business risk arise due to uncertainties. It means future is uncertain. Nobody knows what is going to happen in future, like about natural calamities, change in demand and price, change in government policies and prices, improvement in technology, etc. are examples of uncertain events which may create risk for business. Second is risk is an essential part of every business. Every business has some risk. No business can avoid risk. However, the amount of risk is not fixed. The variation is then depending on organization to organization, it is different. Risk can be minimized but cannot be eliminated from the business. Next is degree of risk depends mainly upon the nature and size of business. Nature of business means the type of goods and services are produced and sold. And size of business means volume of production and sale. These both are main factors which determine the amount of risk in business. Like fashion industry and IT sector have high risk, and similarly larger business has higher risk in comparison to small business. Last one is profit is the reward for risk. One old saying is there, no risk, no gain, which applied in all types of business. High risk business gives higher profit. Entrepreneurs undertake risk and earn higher profit. So profit is the reward for risk taking. Now let's see the causes of business risk. Business risk arise due to various reasons like natural causes, human causes, economic causes and other causes. Let's see first natural causes. It includes natural calamities, flood, earthquake, heavy rain, famine, on which human beings have little control over it, and it may result in heavy loss of property and income for business. Next is human causes. It includes dishonesty, carelessness, negligence of employee, strike, lockdown, riots, stoppage of work due to power failure, etc. are increasing the risk in business. Next is economic causes. These includes uncertainties relating to demand of goods, competition level, price, collection of dues from customers, change in technology or method of production. It also includes financial problems like rise in interest rate of borrowing, increase in tax, which increases the cost of operations in business. Last one is other causes. In this, political disturbance, mechanical failure like blast in boiler, fluctuating exchange rate, which may increase the business risk. Next is economic causes. These includes uncertainties relating to demand of goods, competition level, price, collection of dues from customers, change in technology or method of production. It also includes financial problems like rise in interest rate of borrowing, increase in tax, which increases the cost of operations in business. Last one is other causes. In this, political disturbance, mechanical failure like blast in boiler, fluctuating exchange rate, which may increase the business risk.